हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग पेप्टिक अल्सर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सो इट इज़ द क्रोनिक और मोस्ट ऑफेन सॉलिटरी लेजन दैट कैन अकर इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ GIT exposed to aggressive action of acid or peptic juice. Site of occurrence in descending order frequency. It can occur in the first part of duodenum, stomach, usually antrum, gastroesophageal junction or Barrett esophagus, within the margin of gastrojejunostomy, in duodenum, stomach or jejunum of patient of Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, within or adjacent to Meckel's diverticulum that contain ectopic gastric mucosa. So these are the site of occurrence of peptic ulcer. नाउ मॉर्फोलॉजी में सबसे पहले ग्रॉस में दे आर राउंड टू ओवल शार्पली पंच्ड out defect with relatively straight wall. The margins are generally in level with surrounding mucosa or slightly elevated. Base of the ulcer is smooth and clean. Base of the ulcer may have thrombosed or even patent blood vessels. So surrounding mucosa create mucosal fold radiating from crater in a spoke-like fashion. Now microscopic features. Base and margins have superficial thin layer of necrotic fibrinoid debris. Now beneath this necrotic layer lies zone of non-specific inflammatory infiltrate with neutrophils predominantly. In deeper layer, especially at the base of ulcer, there is an presence of active granulation tissue infiltrated with mononuclear leukocytes. These granulation tissues rest on the solid fibrous or collagenous scars. Now, features of the benign ulcer as well as malignant ulcer. First, age. Benign ulcer younger, malignant ulcer older. Sex. Benign ulcer markedly common in male, while malignant ulcer slightly common in male. Duration. The duration of the benign ulcer is from weeks to years, while that of malignant ulcer weeks to months. Location. Benign ulcer commonly at lesser curvature of pylorus and antrum. Malignant ulcer commonly greater curvature of pylorus and antrum. Now, gross features of benign ulcer and malignant ulcer. First, size. The size of the benign ulcer is small, while that of malignant ulcer is large. Shape of benign ulcer is regular, while that of malignant ulcer is irregular. Mucosal fold of benign ulcer are radiating, while that of malignant ulcer are interrupted. Ulcer beds of benign ulcer are hemorrhagic, while that of malignant ulcer are necrotic. Acidity. Acidity of benign ulcer is usually normal to low, and acidity of malignant ulcer may normal to even aclohydria. That means the absence of hydrochloric acid in the gastric secretion. The therapy. Respond well to therapy, benign ulcer, and malignant ulcer does not respond well to therapy. Complications are bleeding. It is the most common complication. Occurs in 30 to 35, 15 to 30% of patient. Account for 25% of ulcer death. It is a life-threatening, and it is the first indication of ulcer. Second is the perforation, which occurs in 5% of the patient and account for 2/3 of ulcer death. Third is obstruction due to edema or scarring. Occurs in 2% of patient, most often due to pyloric and duodenal ulcer. That's all about the peptic ulcer. Thank you.